She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So guys, today's recipe is going to be a one pot or one skillet recipe. We're going to go ahead and use chicken as our protein. We're going to turn that chicken into a delicious cheesy chicken skillet. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and use some Mexican inspired ingredients for this dish. I'm going to use some diced tomatoes, some green chilies, some Queso Blanco cheese, some Queso Fresco, some yellow rice or the saffron rice, some chicken broth, extra virgin olive oil, and for our veggies, some fresh cilantro and jalapeno. All of these flavors are going to come together well to give us a tasty, cheesy chicken skillet. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. right, guys. So let's go ahead and take a bite of this cheesy chicken skillet. Again, it is full of delicious Mexican flavors. We have tomatoes, we have rice, the saffron rice, there's chicken in there, the cheese with the queso fresco, and then with that queso blanco that we also put in there as well, gives it a nice cheesy texture. Then we've got all those fresh vegetables on top with the red onion. You can eliminate the jalapenos if you're not the spicy lover, but definitely I recommend those. It adds a nice crunch to the dish as well. Then top it off with some of that fresh cilantro. So yeah, guys, this is definitely a recipe, a one skillet recipe you're gonna want to give a try. So hopefully you did enjoy my recipe today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you did enjoy the recipe. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.